Creating private name servers at DreamHost. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through DreamHost and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to create our own custom private name servers. Click the Login button at the upper right corner of the home page. Log in with your email address and password. Click the Domains link on the left of your dashboard. Then click Manage Domains. Click the DNS link under the domain name for which you want to create private name servers. Enter your new private name servers here. You'll get an error message prompting you to enter the associated IP addresses for these new name servers. That's it! You've successfully created custom private name servers for your domain name. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new private name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create private name servers at DreamHost.